Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to set up collections and categories in Shopify. So before starting this video, make sure that you are logged in with your Shopify store, and once you are logged in, so first of all you're gonna have to go into the products and then collections, and basically you can make a new collection here by clicking on this one where it says create collection, and then you can basically input some title here and the description here, and then you can basically switch that if your collection is manual or automated, and then here you can basically add some images that are related to your collection as well. Okay, so that's how you can basically create a new collection in your Shopify store. Here you can see that I have this collection already, and for the categories part here you can go into the online store, then go to the navigation, and when we basically get into the navigation we only get two menus here, the footer menu and the main menu. So we want to add a new menu, so we'll just click on add menu. You can just basically give this menu a name if you want it, and then if you want to add a menu item here, just click on add menu item, and then you can just basically like a home page, navigate home page, search collection what you want, so you can just add home page. Okay, and then again select it, okay, like this, and then click on add, and that will be added here. Then add menu item, then search, and like this, and then you can just save this menu. So you can just name it like you want it, and then just save the menu. So that's how you can basically set up the collections and categories in your Shopify store. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet